Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. So next topic is how to define hash define, typedef, enum, struct and union. So we have to discuss these topics. First one is hash define. Define a provide main int I is equal to capital A printf %d comma a I comma capital A. So hash define is used for constant values, constants and macros. For constants and macros can use hash define. So hash define is used for constants. In our C, hash define a 10 means in our C in our code, whenever you write a, it should be replaced with 10. At the time of compilation, before running, this 10 value should be replaced here. A value is 10, so I is equal to 10. Here also 10 is replaced here. I value is 10, A value is 10, 10, 10. For suppose here I am writing plus A semicolon. So what is the value? A value is 10, so plus 10. So plus 10, this is an error. So for constant values we cannot apply increment operators. So run this code, we will get an error. So Alt F. So remove this code. So int I is equal to capital A. Here I am printing printf %d space %d comma I comma A. Here I am using hash define capital A, that is the name of a constant, any name, and then 10 constant value. There is no semicolon, don't write semicolon. Alt F9. Yes, in our C code, whenever we write capital A, it should be replaced with 10. Int I is equal to 10, here replaced with 10. So 10, 10. Alt F9. Yes, Control F9. Alt F5. 10, 10 is the output. So we cannot apply increment and decrement operators on constants. Run this code, we will get an error. So L value required. I will comment this code. Next one is, first this is the name of the constant, this is the constant value. In arrays concept, you have to write the every program by using the size of an array is 10. But in real time, it is every time 10 is not possible. Okay. So if you write this code by using hash define, Alt F open arrays array1.c, Alt F5. So in this code, we have to write the code for 10 elements. This code is work only for 10 elements. So instead of writing fixed value, so hash define size value is 10. So please remember, the constants should be recommended by using uppercase. If you write small case, it is allowed, but whenever you write uppercase, it is copy, control insert and paste. Whenever 10 is there, you have to replace it with size. This is 9, that means size minus 1. This is also replaced with size. This this is replaced with, so this one is recommended. You have to use constant values by using hash define. Alt F9, yes, control F9, enter array elements 10, 45, 2, 1, 73, 29, 10, 24, 39, 100. Alt F5. This is the array elements after sorting 1, 2, 10, 10, 24, 29, 39. If you want, you have to size is 5. This one is work only for 5 elements. So 8, 2, 9, 15, 1. So Alt F5. Alt F5. Array elements after sorting is 1, 2, 8, 9, 15. So hash define is used for constant values. Next one is for macros. One more example. So hash define, first you have to write the constant name of a variable I, int I should be replaced with int. So hash define pf should be replaced with printf. In our C code, void main. So whenever I am writing I, it is replaced with int. So a is equal to 10. So printf percentage d comma a. Say whenever pf is I am writing, it is replaced with printf hello. Slash n. So this is also valid, but it is not recommended to use for int I for printf pf. Hash define is used only for whenever you have to declare a constants and macros. So macros are similar to function, but small difference is there. Macros are working fast than compared to functions. You have to run this code. So hash define capital I int. So hash define pf printf. So instead of int, directly I have to write I. So instead of, here I am printing I value. So I is equal to 10. Then printf slash n hello. Alt F9, yes, control F9, Alt F5, 10 hello. But this one is not recommended. Hash define is used for to declare constant values and then macros. So next one is, so what is the output of given program? So hash define, so macro name I am taking multiplication of 2 comma 3. This is macro, can be replaced with 2 into 3. So no semicolon. So void main. So int I is equal to multiplication of 2 comma 3. So here I am printing printf percentage d comma I. So I is equal to multiplication of 2 plus 3 comma 2 plus 3. Here I am printing printf %d comma I. So what is the output of given program? So macros are, this is macro. So at the time of compilation, this should be replaced here. So multiplication of 2, 3 value is replaced with 2 into 3. Here this one is replaced with I is equal to 2 into 3. So next 2 into 3 value is 6 is assigned to I. The output is 6. Here the 6 is printed. Next one is multiplication of 2 plus 3 comma 2 plus 3. This should be replaced with like this 2 into 3. Sorry, here instead of writing 2, 3, here write variable names. This value should be changed, sometimes 2, sometimes here multiplication of a comma b, so replaced with ab. This is macro. Macro can be replaced at the time of compilation. So this should be replaced with, this one is very, very important. Lots of students feels this one is a into b, 5 into 5 25, but it is replaced like this. I is equal to 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 3. Here a into b, what is value of a? A into b, what is value of a? Is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is replaced here into b. B is 2 plus 3. So in this statement, first multiplication is evaluated. 6, 2 plus 6 plus 3. Next 8 plus 3. So 8 plus 3. 11. 11 value is assigned to I. So I value is 11. So run this code. So as defined, macro name is multiplication of a comma b should be a into b. So int I. So I is equal to multiplication of 2 comma 3, value is 6, print that value. I is equal to multiplication of 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 comma 2 plus 3. So this value should be replaced with 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 3. This result is 11. You have to print that 11. So printf %d comma I. Alt F9, yes, Control F9, Alt F5. 6, 11. Next, here how to get 25? Instead of multiplication of a b can be written as within the open parenthesis closed parenthesis a. So within the open parenthesis closed parenthesis b. Now it should be replaced with like this 2 plus 3 within the parenthesis 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 3. Now the value is 5 into 5. So value is 25. 25. Alt F9, yes, Control F9, Alt F5. 6, 25. So as defined is used for macros, and constants. So next one is typedef. So typedef is used for alias names. In our C programming, instead of int I want to use I, then you have to go for typedef. In our C programming, so I want some name, that name is printf So instead of writing printf, I want to write pf. Then you have to go for typedef. So typedef is used for alias names, another names in our C program. So I want to typedef int I. You should use semicolon at the end of typedef. So void main for typedef printf pf. So void main so instead of int in our C program you can use I. For I is equal to 10. So printf %d comma I. Here I am writing /n. So once again printf, instead of printf I want to write pf /n %d hello. So run this code. So typedef is a keyword. Next in our C programming int I want to write capital I. So typedef for alias names. So in printf I want to write pf. So instead of int directly write capital I, int I is equal to 10. So pf instead of printf directly have to print /n %d comma I. So directly pf /n printf alt F9, yes, control F9, alt F5. So 10 hello. So typedef is used for alias names. So which one is used for? So what is the difference between as define? As define is used for constants and constants. CP1 can be replaced with char asterisk. Typedef char asterisk alias names. In our C programming, instead of char asterisk we have to write CP2 semicolon. So void main CP1 P1 comma P2 comma P3 CP2 is equal to P4 comma P5 comma P6. So what is the difference what is the difference for these two statements? So please remember, as defined at the time of compilation it replaces instead of CP1 it indirectly replaces this statement with char asterisk P1 comma P2 comma P3. That means here P1 is which type of variable? Char asterisk. char asterisk. Here the P1 is which type of variable? Char asterisk. That means in P1 we can store character variable address. But here P2 is which type of variable? Character, not char asterisk. Here P3 is which type of variable? Char. So in hash define at the time of compilation it replaces the constant value. This is the constant value. Char asterisk is replaced here. Then P1 is char asterisk, P2 is character, P2 is character and P3 is character. Here typedef is in our C typedef is used for alias names. That means CP2. Here the P3 is which type? CP2 type. Here P5 is which type? CP2 type. P6 is which type? CP2 type. CP2 is which type? Char asterisk. That means P4, P5 and P6 all are char asterisk types. Char asterisk types. P4, P5 and P6. So I will show the execution. So hash define variable name is CP1 should be replaced with char asterisk. In typedef in our C programming, char ch1 should be used as CP2. So CP1 comma P1 comma P2 comma P3. In CP2 P4 comma P5 comma P6. Here I am trying to assign P1 is equal to is a character pointer. We have to directly assign SMR. This is valid. This is a character pointer. P1 is a char asterisk PTR. In P1 we can directly store the character address. This is valid. Alt F9. White main, miss the semicolon. Alt F9. This is valid statement. So I want to print that one. Puts of P1. P1 is a character pointer. Control F9, Alt F5. Clear the screen. CLR SCR. Alt F9, yes, Control F9, Alt F5, SMR. So instead of P1, here the P2 is a character. P2 is character type. So P2 is character type where we are assigning address. So we will get an error. Alt F9, yes, we will get an error. So here I am assigning P3. P3 is also character. P3 is also character. We are assigning address. Then we will get an error. Alt F4, one error. So instead of P, here I am writing P4 and here P4. So P4 is which type? CH2 type. CP2 type. CP2 is which type? Char asterisk. This is valid. Alt F5 SMR. So instead of P4, P5 is also char asterisk type. This is also valid. Alt F5. P6. P6 Alt F5 Control F5 Alt F5. This is the difference between typedef and asdef. Next, one more thing is enum. So enum is similar to integer. Enum is similar to integer. Integer size is 2 bytes. Enum size also 2 bytes. So enum can be used to represent series of integer constants. Here enum integer series of integer constants. Starting value is 0, b value is 1, c value is 0, 1, 2, then d, then void main, printf %d comma a comma b comma c comma d. Then output is 0, 1, 2, 3. Series of integer constants. For suppose here I am assigning b value is equal to 30. Then a value is 0, b value is series of integer constants. This value is 30, 31, 32. Here I am assigning a value is 10, b and c value is equal to 20. Then a value is 10, b value is 11, c value is 20, d value is 21. Series of integer constants. Here I am writing enum capital A, capital B, capital C. These are series of integer constants. Then printf %d space %d space %d space %d comma a comma b comma c comma d. Alt F9 S Control F9 Alt F5 0, 1, 2, 3. Here a value is some 10, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alt F9 S Control F9 Alt F5. Series of integer constants. For suppose here b value is some 30, a value is 0, b value is 30, 31, 32. So Alt F5. So series of integer constants. So enum can be used in coding at the time of writing coding. So in switch case we discuss one program. Here there we have to write the number of days of January, the number of days of February, the number of days of March, April, May. Here we are writing 31, 30 and 31, 28, 31. So the others cannot understand what is 31, what is 28, what is 31, what is 30. So instead of writing 31, you have to mention the number of days of Jan is equal to 31. So in our C programming we have to use number of days of Jan instead of 31. Instead of writing 31, directly you have to use number of days of January. So this is the coding standards. So in our C language you have to use int I, valid but not recommended. What is I? So here using int A, valid but not recommended. What is A? Okay, we have to give some meaningful names. So int some, valid, some meaningful names. Here also the number of days of January. They have to understand what is the number of days of January. So enum can be used to represent the integer constants. That is the coding standards. You have to follow the coding standards, these three, as define is used for constants and macros. Typedef is used for alias names in our C coding. Enum can be used as series of integer constants, some meaningful names. So still you have any doubts, please refer once again. Thank you for watching.